Imagine waking up to a home that feels brand new, with a roof that not only protects but enhances your living space. Welcome to Younger Exteriors, your trusted Maple Grove roofing contractor for over 15 years. Whether it's a minor repair or a complete roof overhaul, our experienced team is here to guide you every step of the way. We understand the challenges and have the solutions you need. From storm damage to routine maintenance, our comprehensive range of services ensures your home is always in top shape. We specialize in personalized results that surpass your expectations. Maple Grove homeowners take immense pride in their homes, and we're dedicated to contributing to that. Trust our expertise for any residential roofing needs, from shingle replacement to entire roof overhauls. For businesses, a well-maintained roof is crucial. It enhances curb appeal and safeguards your property's structural integrity. Our experts handle all commercial roofing projects with precision. Honesty and integrity guide our approach. We offer complimentary roof inspections to determine whether repair or replacement is necessary, ensuring you get the best solution for your needs. If repairs aren't enough, our team is ready to install a new roofing system using high-quality materials designed to withstand harsh weather conditions. We help you select the best system for durability and cost-effectiveness. Rest assured, all our contractors are licensed, insured, and bonded experts. From extensive roof repairs to winter preparations, we have the tools and skills to address all your roofing needs. With over 15 years of experience, we've earned the trust of Maple Grove residents. Our team is equipped to deliver outstanding results, taking great pride in serving the community. Start your journey with a simple call. We offer a free roof inspection and estimate using top materials and providing a 10-year workmanship guarantee. Experience our 5-star rated service today.